Hello friends, welcome you all to another video, and this time I came up with another unboxing video. I have bought a shirt, a Peter England shirt from Flipkart, and I got it just only for 500 rupees. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So you can see the packaging of this Flipkart. It is now the ecology friendly packaging is there. So and you can see that it is already tore the packaging. So this is the paper packaging, so not so important. And here you can see the shirt, and the shirt is light green color, and you can see the pricing also of the shirt. But I got it just for only 500 rupees with this their offer. It is the monsoon offer, which is running now on Flipkart, and you can see the Peter England, and it is a 39 shirt, and the size of this shirt is 39. So quality is good. It is actually the cotton shirt, a good quality shirt. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.